Here's the secret local SEO strategy to outrank 99.9% of your competition in 2026. Most agencies focus on the wrong things. Here's the 3-part system that pushed a plumber from position 20 to number 2 in 14 days. The core insight is you need to rank the Google business profile, not the website, because 60 to 70% of clicks go to map pack and not the organic results. So if you're not in the top 3 map listings, you're basically fighting for the bottom 30 to 40% of leads from position 4 all the way to position 40 plus. Ranking organically still puts you below the map pack, and every page on the site exists to rank the Google business profile higher, but not the website itself. Here's the fatal agency mistake. So agencies will write blog posts that rank nationally but drive 0 local calls. For example, how much does a roof cost in the US in 2026? Even though you're getting a lot of traffic and impressions, if that roofer only serves Los Angeles, there's no point of having all of those people viewing that page when they can't even serve those people. So traffic graphs go up, but the phone stays silent. So all of this is going to be a vanity metric that the agencies give you a report on. However, all of these impressions on the page are not going to convert into actual paid customers. Organic keyword rankings are the raw metrics for local businesses. So the key takeaway is 60 to 70% local search, go to the top 3 in the map pack. So you need to be able to rank in the top 3. Component number 1 is a fully optimized Google business profile. So you need to add up to 10 categories. Most businesses have only 1. Use ChatGPT to find relevant secondary categories for your trade. More categories equals more keyword surface area in the map pack. And this alone moved the plumber from position 20 plus to number 4. And you need to add 30 plus specific services. So you could use AI to generate a full service list from your primary category based on your website. And each service is a ranking signal. Do not leave any blank, and you need to have descriptions on every single service. That's what 99.9% of local businesses, whenever I go into their Google business profile, I see that they don't have a description on any of the services, let alone even have services in the first place. And the services that you have listed on your Google business profile must match exactly what's listed on the website as well, because Google sometimes cross-references it. And if your Google business profile says one thing and your website says something else, you're not going to be able to rank. Last thing, you need to complete every single GBP field. For example, business description, hours, attributes, photos, all filled out. In Google business profile, completeness is a direct ranking factor. And incomplete profiles lose to complete ones every single time. Next, component number 2 is website structure that mirrors the Google business profile. So your homepage needs to have your primary category plus city in the title tag. For example, professional plumber in Plano, 24/7 emergency service. Use each secondary category as an H2 section on the homepage as well. And write a few hundred words per category with city specific details. A lot of people make the mistake of just swapping out the city name and the service name. However, you need to give local context to Google so they can actually rank you. If you don't have any local context, for example, the weather, restaurants nearby, neighborhoods, school districts, Google's going to assume you just AI slop the entire page. And with that, you're not going to be able to rank because Google doesn't see you as a local company. Next, you need to create dedicated pages per Google business profile. The URL structure should be category-city. For example, heating-contractor-Plano. Include neighborhood-specific content under each category page, and you need to mirror exactly what you claim on the Google business profile. This will prove legitimacy to Google. So you need to build out individual service pages for every single service. 5x categories times 6 services equals 40 pages total. And each page, service plus city and title tag, H1, and then the first paragraph. And use AI with city-specific prompts to build out 40 pages in one afternoon. And 40 local-specific pages created with AI in one single afternoon, now that you have the capabilities of using artificial intelligence. Component number 3 is technical trust signals. So you need to embed the Google Maps on the contact page, and we also embed it on the home page as well. This sends a direct signal connecting the website to the specific Google business profile. And Google uses this to verify the physical location claim, and it's simple to add high-value trust signals that most agencies skip. Next, the local business schema markup on the home page. So this is not visible to the visitors on the website. However, this is what Google crawlers use to actually scrape websites and actually understand what your business does. So it needs to match the Google business profile information character for character, name, address, and phone number. And use ChatGPT prompt to generate schema automatically. You can also check out our website. In the free tools, we have a free local business schema generator as well. And then the schema tells Google this website and GBP belongs to the same real business. Next, you need consistent NAP across multiple touch points. So name, address, phone must match exactly on the website, GBP, and all citations. Even minor formatting differences. So for example, abbreviations in street versus street spelled out creates trust gaps. And create new citations citations if you cannot confirm old ones are consistent. And if you want us to handle all the citations, all of the Google Business Profile optimization in your agency, you can go ahead and check out link in the description, and you can white label us on autopilot. And if you're a local business and you want us to basically handle all of the Google Business Profile, the website, the citations, basically all of your local SEO, you can also click a link in the description and book a call with me or one of my team members. Now back to the video. Here's the final push. So quality local links. Every page on the site needs at least one external link. Without links, even great AI content looks suspicious to Google. And links are external verification that the business is legitimate. And this is what separates position 8 from the top 3. The highest value local links are going to be the Chamber of Commerce listing, strongest local authority signal, sponsor a youth sports group, .org, domain, and permanent link, complete social profiles with exact business name matching GBP on Facebook, Instagram, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages as well. So after implementing all 3 components plus links, position 17 to position 2 in 14 days. So I hope you got some sauce out of this video. A lot of agencies overcomplicate local SEO, and local SEO is simple. It's a little bit technical to set up. Once you set it up, it's going to basically just give you free calls from Google and AI search from now into the future without having to pay for ad spend. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next video.